Welcome guys, so today I am with Jabra Elite 45H and I'm going to show you how you can move them to the pairing mode. So when your headset is not visible, right here, let me show you. I'm going to click to pair new device. As you can see, they are not appears, but they are still activate. As you can see, the indicator is up. So we have to drag this button. Let me show you this button like that to the Bluetooth icon. And when this indicator starts blinking, you have to release that button to this position. And as you can see right now, they are right here, so we can tap on them, accept pairing request and connect. And that's how you can move them to the pairing mode. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.